Hello, everybody. Welcome to another live stream, my friends. How are you doing? Smash the likes the way in. So, we are seeing some triple, double green digits. So, is the bounce here? Is the reversal happening? Historically, January is one of the worst months ever. A lot of people got shaken out. But yeah, let's see. It's the end of January. We are heading into February, one of the most bullish months. And look at this, man. Look at this, guys. So, there are very exciting times ahead, especially if you didn't get shaken out. So, if you were accumulating the past months and just with a stoic mindset, then you probably see the benefits of that right now. So, the portfolio is up significantly now because we've been buying the bottoms. At least I hope so. Now, let's see if the sound is okay before I just talk and talk and talk with a crappy mic. Yeah, okay, that's good. Let's head to the chat. So today we are going to talk about some undervalued altcoins, cryptos. And in my opinion, we have to look at the Ethereum coins, man. Ethereum has been underperforming. So while Solana is just touching all-time highs and sitting at the local tops, Ethereum didn't do shit. Now the market sentiment around Ethereum is just bearish, and people think, well, Solana will flip Ethereum and Ethereum will just go down the drain. That's not gonna happen, guys. That's not gonna happen. So someone says it's a trap, the bottom is yet to come. I don't think so, to be honest, but we should be prepared for everything. So I still have only 10% dry powder left, okay? Only 10%. So if everything will go down because this is a trap, then I'm happy to buy back lower. But hey, these motherfuckers won't shake me out, man. Never. Okay, so we are live on YouTube. The sound is okay. Good to see. Let's see if I'm live on X as well. Alright, smash the likes, guys. Let me retweet it. Smash the likes the way in. I just wanted to type if you aren't gay, but there are probably also watching gay people. Because of my looks, obviously, not because of my knowledge. Anyway, Armzilla, how are you doing, bro? Smash up the likes. And we have Got Trump XRP. I'm the first Got Trump XRP. Nice name, I dig it. That should be my YouTube name. Happy, yep. So, we were talking about Ethereum, how I think it's very undervalued and it's about to break out. Let's see how Ethereum is doing, by the way. How is Ethereum doing? Because me is freaking bullish on Ethereum. And why? Because the sentiment is bearish, but hey, it's actually looking pretty good, man. Right? So on the yearly, it's up 40%. Okay, that's decent, right? But if you take a look at Solana, Solana had a better performance. Like all the other high caps, they all went already a 2-3x since previous year, except for Ethereum. So what you should do, no financial advice, that's what I am doing, is look at the picks which haven't pumped significantly in relation to others. So that's why I'm stacking up some Ethereum plays. I think that Landwolf is a good one. No, not this one. Oh my god. There is only one Landwolf, guys, and that's 0x67, which I shared like 7 months ago. Before it did a 10x, 12x. So I haven't been talking about Landwolf for a while. Why is that? Because the first time when I talked about it, when was it? The market cap was like 20 million. Oh wow, it's even before the huge pump. I don't even know. Anyway, I am not going to recommend this pick if it's at the all-time high. So yes, I was still bullish on Landwolf, but I didn't recommend to FOMO in green candles. However, now we are back at a level which I think, okay, this is a nice juicy opportunity because it's 61% from all-time high. Now you want to buy the tokens in a discount, not when it's at the local top. So Landwolf, I have to say the community is insane. Also, there's a huge chunk of money behind it. And when I invest into a meme coin, I want to see a lot of money. Why? For marketing pushes, marketing purposes, and of course exchange listings, which are the catalysts what we are waiting for, right? So Landwolf, currently it's sitting at a 97 million in market cap, not even 100 million. But if this goes to the all-time high of Pepe, which is like 9 billion, that'll be a 90x, yeah? And Pepe went to that market cap without a alt season. Now, I do believe that Pepe could go to the 60 billion. Now, I don't believe that Landwolf will follow the footsteps if Pepe will go that far or that high in market cap. But maybe 50% from that, at 30 billion, that's a 300x from here. But you want to stay conservative, right? The meme coin market is a little bit saturated, but there are factors why it could pump to that. There are also reasons why it couldn't. The market is saturated, but also there's three times more money coming in expected, right? Because previous bull run, the market top was like 3.5 trillion, and they expect it to be more than 10 trillion. So imagine how much money that is. That's just, the sky's the limit, guys. Now, I do believe the strongest narratives is still Matt Fury. We've seen a huge inflow of money into the Matt Fury meta plays. Not only Pepe or the Boys Club, but also the Night Riders with Hoppy. So let's go to Hoppy, right? So Landwolf, very undervalued. A lot of money behind it. They also managed to get on BitGet. I think a BitGet listing is like 200k, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot. Now, tier 1s, are they in the books? I think considering the volume to market cap ratio at this point of the market, I think that's pretty healthy, 6%. A volume of 6 million on the daily. People like to trade this coin. It's a cash cow for the exchanges. Maybe a tier 1 is in the books. I hope so, man. That's why I'm holding this one. And for the culture, you gotta believe and take profits. Don't round trip. So that was Landwolf. So let's head over to Hoppy. A lot of FUD. There was some mystery whales trying to ruin Hoppy. So this was this whole meta that Hoppy is a fake name. The real name is Mystery. Well, that's the biggest bullshit ever. Matt Fury's pet rats named Mystery and what? I think. I'm not really sure. But the frog is not called Mystery. Everyone with common sense, they can research it. So the whole meta was just one big scam. I'm not even sure how much market cap Mystery is. We'll get back to Hoppy in a bit. Yeah, 6 million. Hoppy is the real Froggy. Now, I'm not saying that Hoppy is the real name, because Matt Fury didn't even give them real names. And I know there is a video stating that Happy is the name, but in my opinion, that's AI. That's a fake video. I'm a big fan of Happy. I don't even care if the names are legit. It's all about who's behind the team and how big is the community and how far are they willing to push the project. How much money are they willing to invest or reinvest into exchange listings? That all depends on how high it can go. Now, I do believe that 30 million in market cap is freaking cheap. When I shared it on this channel, it was at around 17 million in market cap. So, yeah, that was around here. Now it went all the way to what? 140 million in market cap. So you could have made like an 8x on my channel. Now it's back to the same levels. And in my opinion, we are heading for another run in the near future. I'm not saying it will be tomorrow. I'm not saying it will be in a week or 1 month. But between now and 8 till 9 months, I believe we have a playing field. We can play around, trade around, take some profits. So within that time frame, right? So just start accumulating, no financial advice, but that's something I would do. But my Happy bag is packed, man. I sold a little bit at the top, not everything, because just in case you should always have a moon bag. But yeah, I reinvested at the bottoms again. And right now, 28 million. I do believe that's the bottom. I do believe that. So let's just see. Let me do a poll. Let me do a poll. By the way, guys, if you could smash the likes, that'll be very appreciated. Help support the channel. Is the bottom in? I know a lot of people are a bit emotional, are a bit scared. They think the bull run is over. Just look at the 4-year cycles, guys. Historically seen, January is a terrible month. Now we see that the end of January is here, and now we are seeing a lot of green digits. So guys, smash the likes, man. Smash the likes. In the meantime, I'm going to hydrate myself. Because man, gem hunting takes a lot of energy. Holy shit. Anyway, you guys want a price prediction, right? I do believe it will surpass its old all-time high, which is 140 million. That's like 4x, 6x, 35x. A 35x is still in the books. Wait, what? What am I saying? It's 30 million. Yeah, 4x. I do believe this could go to a $500 million, maybe, which is like slightly less than a 50x. But 1 billion, I don't know. I don't know. It's not that, okay, well, it's a nice narrative. It's a good meme coin. This will go surpass the 1 billion. I know that's a level that a lot of people want to refer to. But it's just very unlikely that the majority of good meme coins will surpass the 1 billion. I think the market is too saturated for that. Is Neon worth buying now? It was at 21 cents yesterday and it pumped to X today. It was worth buying yesterday. You answered your question. I will never buy anything that did a 2x on the daily. Even though it's still cheap. I would expect some kind of a dip. But you should already be exposed to these picks, right? Or are you going to buy a pick because it did a 2x today? Because that's the wrong mindset, bro. Hi, bro. Is Mafia TET Maneki unbelievably dead or cheap? Not sure how to think about that. Good question, my friend. If you have any doubts, go to the Telegram group, head over to the socials, take a look at latest announcements, latest developments, latest partnerships. See if you can reach out to the team. However, you're talking about Mafia, which is like top ranked in the majority of app stores in each country all over the world. More than 4 million downloads. I'm playing Mafia myself, so it's still backed by Binance Labs. It's still on the biggest exchanges except for the big tier ones. So it's very unlikely that these projects are dead. Of course, Mafia has terrible price action just because the gaming narrative is just, it's not dead. It's just still to come, right? All the attention is being drawn to AI agents, to AI, to meme coins. But gaming will always have a run, in my opinion, right? Because gaming is still one of the biggest markets out there. And there are lots of catalysts coming for blockchain gaming. We've seen Beam also, let's take a look at Beam, guys. Because they will invest 150 million in gaming startups, starting in Abu Dhabi. So let's see if the news is over here. Anyway, Beam is at 785 million in market cap. I think it's a steal. It's 64% from all-time high. But Blaney, why are you talking about Beam suddenly? Because it went freaking cheap, okay? Well, first, it was too high a market cap for my liking. It's an infrastructure play. It's a very crucial project for the GameFi industry. And now it's in discount. And now, fully disclosure, I'm scooping up some Beam. It is already on Binance. But it's not on a Coinbase yet. But look at these exchanges. Look at the volume. 38 million volume. So a Coinbase listing will have a huge impact on the price as well, as it's sitting below the 1 billion. For me, it's a no-brainer, Beam. So let's take a look at the the article. I shared the article in my private Discord group. So let me check this out. I'm not trying to reveal anything. Yeah, I found it. So Venture Beat. Beam Ventures launches a 150 million fund to make Abu Dhabi into a global gaming hub. Okay? So the Beam Foundation said it plans to launch Beam Ventures in Abu Dhabi, a 150 million venture fund focused exclusively on gaming. Okay, maybe that's another catalyst. I don't know, but there are things happening regarding gaming, right? So the gaming funds aim to accelerate promising founders and, well, contribute to Abu Dhabi's transformation. So Abu Dhabi, we know there's a shitload of money there. And if it's becoming a global gaming hub, imagine what that means for the Web3 industry, for the gaming, right? So that's crazy. Now, let's see. Beam Ventures is strategically positioned at the intersection of blockchain, gaming and AI, stimulating innovation in these fields. So gaming and AI, it's also having the AI narrative. So Beam is extremely undervalued at the moment. So when it was like 2 billion a market cap, I wouldn't bother. But right now, guys, I'm just saying it. So you don't always have to look for the filthiest low cap gems, high risk, high reward. Because in my opinion, this could be a safe 15x minimum, right? Now, I asked what categories are attractive in addition to blockchain and AI in gaming. The fund said it's also looking at virtual reality and augmented reality in gaming. So, yeah, this is huge. This is huge. We saw metaverse gaming, previous bull run just going crazy. Sandbox, Decentraland, and yeah, Beam is being the infrastructure as well for all these crazy narratives. So yeah, that's indeed an ambitious vision for the future of gaming. So yeah, if you want, put Beam on your watch list. You can get it on Binance, but yeah, it's extremely undervalued now. Okay, what do you guys think? Is the bottom in? Okay, what do you guys think? Alright, we got 8 likes. Come on, man. Smash the likes. Listen to Omar. He will get the belt. Thoughts on Sweep? Only launchpad on Sui. Ooh, interesting. I'm very bullish on Sui. Sui itself is very, I wouldn't say undervalued. It's very bullish. The price action was just insane previous year. Right now it's at around $4 and it was like 60 cents a few months ago. So this is not something I would invest into right now. But there are lots of leverage plays. So let's take a look at Sweep. Sweep bet, interesting. So is this new? Oh, this is pretty old. They are on the nice tier 2 exchanges like KuCoin. I do like it. I do like that. So is the market cap really 1 million? Otherwise, this could be very interesting. So it's 90% down from all-time high. Yeah, it's a pretty old project. It's like 2 years old, but it's on the big exchanges. Let's take a look at the socials. $132 followers, followed by. There are some chats following it. This is very interesting, my friend. Very interesting. Let me see what the real market cap is. Let's head over to CryptoRank. CryptoRank.io, where you can see all the partners, backers, vesting, etc. Sweep. Market cap 3.6 million. Okay, that's a real market cap. Still freaking cheap. Wow. Still freaking cheap. Yeah, chart looks like it's currently at support levels. But I think it will bounce back up, right? I think, in my opinion, we've seen the bottom. Now, let's take a look at the funding rounds. Who are invested in this project? Ooh, we see some credible names. Maven Capital as well. 1.1 million raised. Okay, that's not a jackpot. I know a lot of startup projects which raised over the 5 million. But it doesn't mean that this won't perform. So this is very low in market cap. Got some decent backers and investors. Now if the vesting is cool, I do believe that it's probably good, as it is like 2 years old. Yeah, the majority of the coins are already unlocked. So interesting play. I put it on my watch list. Thanks for the alpha, my friend. Will the Furyverse memes have an amazing run this cycle? Yeah, I do believe that. I do believe the narrative will come back, as Peppy is one of the biggest meme coins and will probably flip Shiba or Doge, and the meta plays for Pepe will also perform very well if that happens. But everything is speculation, my friends. So I do believe that's the case. That's why I'm max bidding on Landwolf. But yeah, it's still risky. It's not that I have like 10% in Landwolf. First, I'm stacking up Gaspa. I have lots of Sui. I have... what else? I just talked about Beam. But yeah, if you want to see my portfolio, make sure to join the Patreon. The private Discord link is in the description. Now let's head back to the website of StreamYard so I can see your comments. But trading, you bring me some nice picks, bro. Bobo holds better than most memes, even better than some blue chip memes. That makes me consider it again. Yeah, that's smart. That's smart. Look for the projects which are holding very strong in bearish times. Now Bobo is the bear. Of course it will perform well in the bear. Anyway, yeah, it's bottomed. It's bottomed as well. Do they have some nice exchanges? Yeah, they are listed on how many markets, how many exchanges? 13. Pretty nice. 42 million in market cap. Volume to market cap ratio of 4%. The chart looks pretty good. Now let's take a look at Mumu the Bull. What? Is Mumu actually sitting at 18 million? Did Bobo surpass Mumu? I never would have expected that, man. Wow. Wow. It went over the 200 million in market cap. It's down 93%. Mumu died. Yeah, I would prefer Bobo. Looks much healthier. And by the way, Ati, you were asking about Mavia, so I answered your question about the GameFi narrative. Mavia is still a good play. It's cheap. Maneki, I really would love to see some bullish price action because the majority of my coins is in Maneki. Yeah, that's not very smart of me, but hey, I don't care. I know eventually it will perform well. The question is when. So yeah, Maneki is still cheap. And Tectum as well. So I'm not concerned. There's big team behind it. There's money behind it. They're still having updates. And that's what you should look for on the social. So keep yourself updated if you have any doubts. Not only if you have any doubts, if you are investing in crypto, make an X account, go in the Telegram groups, and keep yourself updated. It's your freaking money, okay? And that about Maneki. Still freaking bullish. Yeah, 30, 50x. I do believe that. The marketing is top tier. And maybe these motherfuckers sold a little bit of their own supply for the marketing pushes, but they do what they gotta do, right? We got Nino with the super chat. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. Good to have you in the stream, bro. Where are you from, by the way? Are you from Serbia? Just a guess. We got Omar in the house. Salam alaikum, my friend. How are you doing? What about Fafi? Fafi could also gear up for another run. So we've talked about Landwolf, Hoppy. Let's talk about Fafi, which is part of Mind Viscosity. So first we had Landwolf, which is part of the Boys Club with Peppy. Then we had Night Riders with Hoppy as main character. And then we have another frog from Mind Viscosity comic book from Matt Fury. Now, the first time when I shared this project on this channel, it was sitting at 900k market cap. It went all the way to 12 million. Can we see that? No, we cannot. So you could have made a 12x. I hope for the people who made that 12x that you took profits. Otherwise, you round tripped. Is that a big deal? Well, yeah, it's a bit pity, right? But I do believe Fafi has another run. I love the narrative. They managed to get on some markets. Not the best ones, but hey, step by step. I do know there's a huge community behind it, and yeah, Fafi will always have a place in my heart. I might scoop up some Fafi, who knows? I might scoop up some Fafi. But yeah, I sold it. It used to be a pick. We made some good money. But yeah, if you're making money, you should take profit. So I said goodbye to that little frog. Scallop is underrated from Sui ecosystem. Do check them out if you find time. Scallop, the DEX. I know Scallop, yeah. Is it the DEX? What is the market cap of Scallop? 14 million a market cap, if that's the correct data. Wow, it's down 87% from all-time high. Chart isn't looking that good. How's the markets? Ooh. If a low cap has a exchange listing list like this, I will get a hard one. And now I'm having a huge boner, okay? No financial advice. But if I see that a project is listed on Bybit, on Cetus, not Cetus, on BitGet or KuCoin, which are very expensive exchanges to get listed on. Also, they have a more stricter audit to get on these exchanges. So it adds more to the trust, credibility, and potential. Now, Scallop, I see that name a lot when I'm trading in my Sui wallet. So, yes, considering everything is pretty undervalued right now, especially the Sui picks, if we take a look at how Sui performed and some other picks on the Sui blockchain, I believe that the other picks on the Sui blockchain are freaking undervalued, man. So this one as well, 33% volume to market cap ratio is, yeah. I mean, that's freaking huge, right? That's huge. So yeah, I know Scallop. Let's see if it bottoms out. It's not looking that good, but hey, on the daily, everything is up. It went from 16 cents to 18 cents, even 19 cents. So, you know what? I put it on my watch list as well. Let's put everything on my watch list, which is listed on these big tier 2s, which is relatively new. But let's take a look at the vesting as well. Maybe it's in a huge downtrend because of the token vesting. Because it's relatively new. We see nowadays a lot with new tokens. When they get listed, you see a sell-off because of the airdrops and early investors. Because these motherfuckers are greedy as hell. Alright, so in 8 days there will... wow, 2% of max supply and 4% of market cap will be coming out. So you will have inflation, which means your token will be less worth. Now, if you take a look at the vesting, it's not a big deal. Not even a 2x in a year. So yeah, not even, okay? So it's looking very good. It's looking very good. Who's actually invested in them? Scallop, another one to put on your watch list, guys. If you want exposure on the Sui network. Alright, so KuCoin Labs is invested in them. Yeah, I do like it. Sui Foundation, okay. The Sui Foundation. DWF Labs as well. Scallop is looking very good. The chart not, but hey, when the chart is looking bearish, start accumulating. At least that's what I am doing. But don't listen to me. I don't know shit. Don't trust me. I'm just an immigrant on your screen. We got JP in the building. How are you doing, bro? Crypto Dan in the house. Thoughts on Vine? I do not have any thoughts, my friend. I didn't follow Vine. I was aware of the meta, so I was degen trading some of them. Like, what are these names, man? I forgot about all these names. LimeWire and Twitter and all these crap. But I will take a look at it. Is it on CoinMarketCap already? Wow, it's actually pretty high in market cap. I didn't even realize that. Look at the volume. Why would people buy this? Are they invested by OKX? It's a meme coin. Elon Musk says he's looking into bringing back Vine. And the CEO of Vine just launched a meme coin. So it's a doxed guy. Yeah, look. The chart is looking pretty juicy. Okay, it's only 45% down from all-time high as well. But why would you buy this? It's a bit high in market cap. I mean, it's not really memeable, right? Because it had its moment. Elon Musk had its tweet, but I think the hype will cool off, just like Peanut. Look at Peanut. It was all hyped up and this and that, and it even went to the billions and on Binance, and the chart is just looking terrible. So I think for Vine, I think we are currently sitting here. But don't pin me up on that. It's just, does it have longevity, right? I doubt it, to be honest. So yeah, the markets are pretty nice. So you could say there's a shitload of money behind it. The founder is doxed, by the way, so yeah, it's on crypto.com as well. I don't know, man. I don't know. What's your thoughts, guys? What's your thoughts on Vinecoin? Right now, it's too high a market cap for my liking. It's a bit risky. A bit high for its potential, okay? Otherwise, I'm just speaking myself tegen? How the fuck do you say that in English? I'm speaking against myself. It's high market cap, it's risky. Nah, it's overvalued in my opinion. Because obviously, the higher the market cap, the more safer it is and the less volatile. But that's just in general. Are we expecting a bull run, bro? I do. So in the beginning of the stream, I told you guys that historically seen, January is one of the worst months. And if you take a look at February or come closer to February, we will see some bullish price action. Now, if we head over to my live stream watch list, and not even my watch list, we see a lot of green candles, guys. So we see Bang doing a freaking 2.5x. We see Blob also 60% on the daily. So in alt season, guys, this is normal. This is normal. You don't know what's going to happen, man. You will be so freaking greedy. Your portfolio will 2x every freaking day, almost. So yeah, don't be scared, my friend. I know a lot of people got shaken out, but everything goes according plan, in my opinion. Sui is on Phantom. Thoughts on this coin, bro? I talked about it, man, 10 minutes ago or 15 minutes ago. I'm bullish on Sui, but Sui did very well. But I think it's very bullish for the Sui ecosystem. So for the Sui meme coins, which are listed on Phantom now. So all these degen Solana traders will also be able to get on the Sui pick. So let's take a look at some Sui picks, which I'm bullish on. So I think Sui is a bit, it's not overvalued, it's not undervalued, but it just pumped too much in relation to previous year. So you might as well take a look at leverage plays on the Sui ecosystem. The first one is Deepbook. But that one pumped as well significantly. Wow, it's 26% up on the daily. Let's see if we are hitting price discovery soon. But man, me and the private Discord were accumulating this at around 4 cents. So this is one of the clear winners of the Patreon in the last 2 months. When everything was just bearish. Deep book is just sprinting for us. Crazy, crazy. So get in the private Discord if you want. And shout out to Sherry, by the way. Got the bottom on this one. Shout out to all my TA specialists and moderators, by the way. You guys are the shit. Without you guys, man, I would have had so much work. I would have been burned out probably. But yeah, deep book, liquidity provider for the SUI. It's an order book, a club listed on the biggest exchanges, not a tier 1. And this will get definitely on the tier 1, guys. 81 million volume on the daily. No-brainer. Guys, this is a no-brainer. But because this is a boring pick, a DeFi pick, nobody gives a shit. Well, I did. Congratulations for the Discord members who aped in. Now, here's another one which is undervalued in my opinion. But yeah, it's 26% up on the daily. Not a big deal as it's still at the bottom. 11 million a market cap is very undervalued for FUD. FUD, nice community. I love the branding. I love the content. So it's a cute little dog. It's a, how do you say it in English? A pudge. And it's also listed on some decent markets like BitGet, Mexi. Wait, I thought it had a KuCoin listing, am I right? Didn't it had a KuCoin listing? FUD KuCoin. Or am I just being delusional? Top SUI meme coins to watch in 2024, 2025. And they're talking about SUI coins. Hippo, got FUD the Pudge. But it's not on KuCoin. I thought it was on KuCoin. What the hell? I'm almost sure I bought it on KuCoin. Like previous year ago. Apparently not. Which gaming coin are you more bullish on? A8 or Prime? I don't know Prime, bro. But Ancient 8 is pretty good. It's still a low cap and it's on the... Yeah, it's on Coinbase. That's a big deal. So yeah, A8 is pretty good. Can you check out Vlog? Yo, we got Pratik in the building. How are you doing, bro? Always supporting me and my live streams. Appreciate it, bro. I will check it out for you, of course. Vlog.io. 12 million in market cap. Ooh, what a volume. 200% volume to market cap ratio. Is it up on the daily? Not really. Where does the volume come from? Are they all just heavily selling? Guys, I think it just broke to support. Yeah, Bybit, nice exchanges. Where's the volume coming from, man? So it's the first decentralized AI training platform, combining federated learning and blockchain technology to revolutionize AI model development. Okay. They have an AI marketplace for deploying and refining models. Okay, interesting. So another AI agent play, low in market cap, decent exchange listings. It's on the base. Okay, it's a base play. I do like that. I do like that. I do believe that Ethereum Base, and Sui ecosystem are just going to rip it. Solana as well, but let's be honest, Solana had its moments already previous year. So the amount of potential, I think it's slightly less than these picks I just mentioned. So yeah, Flock AI, Flock IO, not bad. Let's take a look at the socials. World's first decentralized AI trading platform. Let's follow this shit. Okay, Happy Bazinga is following it. Something is brewing. He's a Trump top 50 holder. Wow. Yeah, this is such a rich Chinese guy, and he's pretty crazy. So if he is in it, something is cooking. So this one is pretty new. Yeah, 1 month old. They are backed by Animoca brand or not? Trading for Animoca brand's VC research agent. Oh, wow. Oh man, I'm getting a freaking boner, man. I do love this. I do like the idea. Shall we take a look at the website? Yo, put this on your watch list, guys. Put this pick on your watch list. I don't even have to do some gem hunting for you guys. You guys are providing a lot of alpha yourself. The website is not loading, but that's on me. I get that problem a lot. Never mind. Anyway, the X is looking good. Everything is looking good. Only the price action. So yeah, we can take a look at the vesting though. Now we see some backers. Okay, it's backed by OKX Ventures. And it's not even on OKX, right? Nope. Okay, this is bullish. Animoca Brands is a very, very big investment firm. So when they're behind a project, most of the time, a big chance the pick will perform well. Right? Now, if we head over to the vesting, let's hope it's not terrible. Okay, daily vesting. But how much? That's the question. How much? 0.3% of the market cap every day and 0.03% of max supply. So you should look at this. Every day this is coming out. Is that a big deal? Nah, in my opinion, not really. Especially in alt season, it will just overtake the dilution. All the bullishness will just overtake the dilution, like I just said. Jacob Double. Which RWA coins are you bullish on? Good question. RWA. I think Lingo is a nice one. Why? Just because of how freaking amazing that website looks like. But that's not all. Look, this one is also in a nice accumulation level, right? Consolidation, healthy volume to market cap ratio, and I think it's even less than 50 million a market cap. I'm not really sure. But look at the markets, guys. Also KuCoin, Maxi, Gate.io, Bitmart. It's listed on a shitload of exchanges. And this is not even 2 months old, right? Now, this is also a RWA pick on the base chain. So put this one on your watch list. But Lingo, they merges Web3 with RWA to create the most rewarding token system. So they have a lot of partners. They are backed by a lot of influencers. They have major partnerships. And they are looking to get driving in mainstream adoption by making Web3 accessible and rewarding. So let's head over to the website and you'll see how amazing it is. I actually showed you this website previous stream, but yeah, for the people who weren't there, So it's this big, yeah? Put this on your watch list. Just do your own research. I'm not telling you to buy anything. Guys, how many likes do we have? Who can double check for me? Bro, are you in the Discord? You're the Nino, right? Which I have spoken today. You do know that Ice Network is one of our Discord picks, bro? So you know my thoughts. Anyway, I was looking to show off the website. I was just waiting for nothing. How do I turn off this freaking sound? But look at the website, guys. So this is actually focusing on community rewards. So Lingo is the first token that leverages RWA, gamification, and crypto culture to fuel and disrupt community rewards. So if you could tokenize that, RWA. Wait, I saw Nike and stuff. So let Lingo surprise you with rewards at 3,000 plus brands across 80 countries, thanks to our network of 100,000 plus hotels and gift card partner Phison app. So apparently they're partnered with all these big names in the industry: Nike, Spotify, Netflix, Uber, PlayStation, IKEA. So you can actually earn rewards, and maybe these brands are sponsoring it or something. I don't know. Partners. But that's huge. So yeah, these guys are the architects behind Lingo, and they founded the world's leading premium loyalty company, acquired for 150 million. Wow. Our team is built of former executives from companies like Binance, Consensus, Google, Microsoft. Wow. Wow. Every time I go on this website, I just get lost. It's just very, very juicy, man. Backed by Morningstar Ventures, Maven Capital. Guys, Lingo is so freaking undervalued for RWA. Ah, do we get 13 likes? That's a lot. That's a new record. Okay. Let's turn off the sound. JP, first bull run, bro. I heard everybody get off the market on April. Is that normal? Thanks, bro. Love your lives. Yeah, when I in these 8 years in the crypto space, I learned one thing. If everybody does one thing, I'll do the opposite. I do think that we still have 8 months left. So April, that's like what? February, March, April, May. 3 months left? No, I think we got like 6, 7 months left, maybe 8. But you want to get out like dollar cost averaging out, right? You're not waiting for a, oh, okay, 50x, I'm taking everything out. When you're making money, when you're seeing the green digits, take here profits, take here profits, take here profits, take here profits, take here, and DCA your way in, DCA your way out. So start taking profits weeks prior. You think that the top will be in. So I know a lot of people think April. I'm not really sure why. I think we will just follow the 4-year cycles just like always. So if we expect like November maybe being the top or something, or then I'll start taking profits 2 months prior. But this is all general. If you take a look at picks, I'm taking profits when they get on a big exchange, right? So there are lots of factors. That's why I say I just see the bull run as a timeline to fuck around, to play around, to trade around, right? So today you can already have a shitload of money and cash it out. And maybe double it in 1 week tomorrow with a riskier play. But today is the day to get in the trenches and to get out in a few months as a rich man. Delay short-term gratification. Get in the trenches. And if you ran out of dry powder, sell your underwear or sell your feet pics on OnlyFans. I don't give a shit. Sell your girlfriend. Because this is the year you should achieve financial freedom. Otherwise, you need to wait for another 4 years. Is that what you want, guys? Yes. That's you, bro. All right. Again, thank you for the super chat, man. I feel bad. I feel bad when I receive a super chat. No need for that. Just buy some micro cap meme coin, which can do 100x. Anyway, I think I'm going to wrap it up in a bit. Let's see the poll, what people chose, what people think. Where are we currently? Are we currently sitting at the bottom? Come on. 35 votes. The bottom is in. Yes. 80% thinks yes. Oh, I was scared. Because now I think the bottom is not in. Just because the majority thinks the bottom is in. I'm joking. I'm joking. I still believe the bottom is in. Just like you guys. And yeah, you guys are probably well informed as you look at this channel. Or watch this channel. Anyway, smash the freaking likes, guys. Let's get to the 30. In the meantime, I'm going to take a piss. And let's put on the music. Just for the fun. Alright? Okay, I'm going to the restroom. You guys just smash the likes. Just don't fight when I'm gone, okay? Don't fight. Guess who's back? Anyway, we've talked about Lingo. We've talked about Landwolf, 0x67. We've talked about FUD. Yeah, I saw another comment on Blub. So let's take a look at Blub, because Blub is pumping as well. So this is a no-brainer. This is a fish. Now, that's the obvious play for the Sui network, right? I am bullish on Blub. I am not holding it myself, not anymore. This was a trade in our private Discord group. I think, how much did we make on Blub? I don't know. Not much, I think. I think we made like a 4x. Anyway. There are some questions regarding some other picks I talked about on this channel. So first I shared Node at the 1 million, yeah, which is Nodely AI. It went to a 20 million, so you could have a 20 million. Now, I did delete this channel in my private Discord because I want to prevent people aping in, because I thought it was a good entry at 500k or 1 million, but I don't know if it's a good entry at 5 million. I'm not really sure. I think there are better plays. However, this is a registered company. They are buying GPUs. They have proof. Right now it's sitting at 2 million a market cap. So maybe this is another good buying opportunity, right? So we made a shitload of money with this pick. But yeah, this is one of the few projects which has zero sell and buy taxes. So a GPU project with their own revenue, which isn't relying on their own investors. So this could definitely do a what? A 10x, 20x, which is a 40 million a market cap. Because if you take a look at the volume to market cap ratio, it's looking very good. So we are still up a 4x. So get in the private Discord if you don't want to miss any alpha. But I gotta be honest, now I'm not looking at degen picks. I'm not looking at the micro caps, as I do think that some picks, some blue chips, are very cheap right now. Another one. I talked about Beam. Now this is another one which I'm pretty bullish on. Tensor Tau, guys. It's 3.8 billion a market cap. And you could say, well, this is high. But I don't think so. It's 40% down from all-time high. It's the biggest AI crypto exists, which is existing. They have a very scarce supply and strong tokenomics. So of course price can move fast with demand. It's a growing ecosystem. So a lot of models like machine learning applications and DeFi applications are building on Tau. Yeah. Also, institutions are eyeing Tau, because the crypto narrative regarding AI is just freaking strong. AI is a no-brainer. And Tensor being the big brain behind everything, being the leader of the AI coins, no-brainer. I think a minimum 10x for this one, because we still need to see a Coinbase exchange, right? And the fact they are already listed on Binance, that's good. That's good. Not a big deal. So Tensor also want to put it on your watch list. So if you have a big bag of USDT left and you want to store it into a more safer pick, Tensor is your go-to pick, right? Another one. Now people are looking for the low cap degen AI agents, but in my opinion, they don't have longevity. What has longevity is the platform who deploys these AI agents. So I think virtual is pretty cheap right now, right? And you gotta buy the tokens which are cheap, not the tokens which are pumping. So it bounced back from the lows, 1.3 billion a market cap and a huge volume. Now, look at this, guys. Not listed on a single tier 1. It is listed on Bybit. It's listed on BitGet. Look at the volume on these exchanges as well. So they have 7 pages of centralized exchanges and it's not listed on a tier 1. For me, it's a no-brainer, guys. It's 60% down from all-time high. People wanted to buy it at $4, almost $4.50, but now they're scared because it's $2 now. Be smart, guys. Yeah, I know Ski Mask Dog, but it's a bit risky. Almost Croatia. Oh, I love Croatia. Especially Luka Modric. But man, Croatia is a beautiful country. AGI also could be a best option when it comes to agent related ones. Oh, guys. Speaking about AGI. Now, a team member from AGI founded another project, but I already made a video on it. But yeah, more people are watching, more people are here right now. Let's see if I can see find the website. Okay, agent licenses. So imagine if you could go in AGI Delicium before it get on the markets. So before the token generation event. Now I got something for you, because this is on the Sui blockchain. Okay, well, that's freaking bullish, Sui. And you can have your own agent, your own AI agent. But what is a license? If you buy a license, which is the same as a node, you will get daily token rewards. So every day you will get tokens, and in Q2 the token generation event will be happening. But by then you will have a shitload of tokens. Now I made a deep dive on this video, I made a deep dive video on this project on my channel, so make sure to check it out. But tomorrow there will be another upload regarding that project. Now you will only be able to get in the node sale with a referral code. Now luckily they reached out to me and I received my own referral code, so I can help you with that. So 3 days ago, earn daily passive income with AI agents. I am buying Swarm nodes. So I bought like 5 nodes. I'm actually thinking about to get another one. Maybe I will be selling a few of them in a few months. So after 6 months, you are able to sell your node as well. What else, man? What else? Did I forget something? Just stay tuned for tomorrow. There will be a better video. But nodes are currently $99.99, so almost $1,000. But the price will increase as more nodes will be sold, so early adopters get the best deal. Also, like I said, the token hasn't launched yet, meaning early buyers get in before the hype. And nodes are selling fast and the rewards are highest for early adopters. So right now we can see 2,169 licenses sold. If you want to know how to buy it, go back to this video, earn daily passive income with AI agents. And I have the link over here. You know what? Let me paste the link in this live stream as well. Because man, I feel like this is a big opportunity, man. I'm so freaking bullish on this one, and I feel like the majority is just sleeping on it. I really feel like the majority is sleeping on it. So let me find my live stream and put the link in the description. All right, it's there. If you click in the description or refresh it, I think that you will see the link. So make sure to check it out, man. Make sure to check it out. I think it's very, very smart to get a node. Because I expect that we will get our initial investment back right at the TGE. But there will be a penalty, right? After TGE, we have like 1 month, 70% penalty. After 1 month, we will get a 30% penalty. And I think after 72 days, we will be able to sell 100%. So they will be able to maintain the chart and prevent massive sell-offs. Are you still in Peng? Yeah, Pang is performing very well. I am not in Pang. I sold it like 1 year ago. And I'm happy with that because, man, it went terrible. Pang's chart was like the worst, and it still is actually, even though it did 150% on the daily. Look, it's just a grain in a sandbox. 150%? It's not even showing on the chart. Look how terrible the price action was. 97% down from all-time high. I had Pang as a trade in my private Discord, so yeah, get in, get out in these riskier picks. Guys, I'm going to wrap it up. Make sure to smash the likes for the last time, and I appreciate it. We got 18 likes. Let's get to 25. Let's get to 25. We can do it, guys. We can do it. Pump it up. Pump it up. By the way, I forgot to say hi to the X guys. People who are watching on X, thank you for the support. Make sure to smash the likes. And maybe have a retweet. That'll be appreciated. I feel like X is shadow banning me or something. My engagement went from 1,000 views a post to like 50. But yeah, I was raging on some leftists. I cannot handle my emotions if I see stupid people swearing at Trump. I'm a real patriot. Fuck you talking about. Anyway, guys, smash the likes if you enjoy this stream. Also, let me pull up the private Discord for the people who are new to this channel. So, on Patreon, click the link in the description. You are able to get in the private Discord for $40 a month. But if you want to pay in crypto, be my guest. Be my guest. I am going to order some Chinese and get back to the trenches. Guys, I see you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned for another upload. So if you haven't subscribed yet, you better subscribe now. Muchas gracias. Obrigado. Danke. Thank you. Merci. Adios amigos. Muchachos. Altcoin season is around the corner, and are you still out there lone wolfing it and making terrible decisions with your portfolio? It's time to stop. Let's get your portfolio and mindset sorted out. Join my private Discord and level up as an investor. In the group, you'll gain access to exclusive PDF courses where I share all the insights and experience I've picked up over the last 8 years. You'll also get my long-term buy alerts and sell alerts based on high conviction plays, and for the real degens, we've got short-term trades that hit when the market is ready. And man, we have made some crazy gains in the last few months. And guess what? This is just the beginning. So if you want to grow your network, see what I am doing in this crypto space, and grow as an investor, join now before prices go up.